Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saif Ali Khan. Today in this video, we are going to solve a new DSA problem of gigs for gigs. This question has been already asked in by Amazon and Flipkart and many more. So this is very important questions. Please listen carefully to my word and listen, approach carefully whatever I am trying to make you understand. Okay, before going ahead, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss these types of awesome video. Without getting late, let's start the video. Guys, first in first, you have to come on the Geeks for Geeks side. I hope you know we are solving the problem currently easy level. Okay, we have already solved a school and basic. Currently, we are solving easy level problem. In topic section, you have to select array. Okay, here you will see lots of questions we have already solved. Today, we are going to solve this problem, that is rotate array. You can see here that this question has been asked by Amazon, Microsoft, and MAQsoft. Okay, so maybe you can face these types of problem whenever you are giving any interviews. Okay, so let's see what exactly problem statement is. We will understand the problem statement first of all, and then we will discuss the approach on whiteboard, and then after we will jump to the coding part. Okay, guys, we have given an unsorted array. We have given an unsorted array of size and rotate the array to the left. Okay, rotate the array to the left, counter clockwise direction. Okay, we have to rotate the array in clockwise direction by d step, by d steps, where d is a positive integer. Okay, our task is we have given an array of n size and we have to rotate this array by d step in clockwise direction. Okay, so let's check example first. You have given an array containing 5 elements and d is a step. We have to rotate this element by d equal to 2. Okay, in clockwise direction, left to right. And we have to solve this question in expected time complexity, that is O of n, and space complexity is O of 1. We will discuss brute force solutions approach, and we will discuss the optimal approach also. Let's come on the whiteboard, and here we will understand. Okay, guys, first of all, what we have given, we have given array. Okay, we have given array containing element 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and the length of the array is 5, and d, that is the step. Okay, and it is 2. Okay, guys, what we have to do, we have to just rotate this part d equal to 1 and 2, this two element in clockwise direction, so that it will become like that. First element that is 1. Okay, so it will become 1, and second element, that is 2. Okay, this is 2, and rest of the element will be as it is, like 3, 4, and 5. This is our expected output. We have to come on this result. Okay, so let's discuss the approach. We can solve this problem by multiple ways, but I will discuss here two approach. Okay, so first and first, what we will do, brute force. Brute force approach. Okay, we have given array 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What we will do, we will create a new array, that is array 1, and just I will push this part of the element in the array first, 3 and 4 and 5, that is from d2 and minus 1. Okay, And then after we will just put this part of the element, that is 0 to d minus 1. Okay, so 1 and 2. Okay, for this approach we can got the result, but there is a problem with these solutions. We are using a new array, so space complexity will become of n. Okay, but as we discussed in problem statement, we don't need to any extra space. Okay, so to achieve these solutions, we have to go for optimal approach. Okay, so we have given an array equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now what we can do, we have to do something with this array only. We don't need to use any another array. So for that, what we will do basically, we will here we have d equal to 2. Okay, so and we have divide this array into two part. Okay, d 0 to d minus 1 and d2 and minus 1. Okay, so what we will do, first of all, we will reverse this part 0 to d minus 1. Okay, 0 to d minus 1. So it will become what? 2 and 1. Okay, now I will reverse this part. Okay, so this will become 5, 4, and 3. Okay, and then after what we will do, we will reverse whole array. So it will become 3, 4, and 5, and 1 and 2. Okay, you can see this is our expected output, what we want to get. Okay, so with this technique, we can solve this problem in O of an time complexity and O of an space complexity. Okay, guys, let's jump into the coding part. We will do it coding, and we will see how much test case are there, all these test cases passing or not. Okay, so for that, what we will do, we will declare what we have given. We have given array and d and n. So here we will create a function const reverse. Its work is only reverse an array. Okay, reverse equal to, it will take a parameter array, and L stand for lower index, and H stand for higher index. Okay, so here what we will do, just I will use the while L lower index is less than higher index. Till then you have to do something. Okay, we will reverse array, swipe the element array of L to array of H, and equal to array of H and array of L. We are using S6 syntax here to swipe the element. Okay, so L increment the L and decrement the H. Okay, the work of this function is only swipe the element. Okay, reverse the element. Okay, now here what we will do basically, first of all, we will make changes in d equal to d modulus n. Why? Because let's suppose you have given length of 5 element. Okay, and d equal to you have given 6. Then in that situation there is no need to uh, reverse all 6 times. Okay, you need to only reverse one time, both result will be same. Okay, so that is the reason. And here what we will do basically, we will call this function reverse and swipe the element. Will pass parameter array and 0 to d minus 1. Okay, and once again reverse the array with parameter array and d2 and minus 1. Okay, as we discussed on whiteboard. Reverse this array and where from where 0 to n will reverse at last whole array. Okay, and finally return the array. Okay, I hope it should work. Let's compile and run, and we will see it is passing or not. Here there is a problem. Okay, reverse equal to we reverse pawns reverse equal to this is okay. Sorry, here is a mistake. We it's my bad. Okay, let's compile and run 1 second. And here you can see here is undefined. Okay, uh, what are the problem? Okay, 3 4 1 2 undefined. Why? Because let me check it. 0 to d minus 1 and d2 n minus 1 and here 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so it will work perfectly because index is always length minus 1. So here you can see our output and expected output both are equal. Let's submit all these test cases is passing or not. We will say I hope this should work because our algorithm is fantastic. Yeah, guys, you can see here that all these test case 150 test cases was there. All these test cases have been passed. Okay, this was the problem statement. I hope you find the helpful this problem. Okay, because we have discussed the brute force and optimal approach. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with new DSA problem. Thank you very much.